Meintjes Müller, a policymaker at the ECB, reaffirmed that it was premature to declare victory over inflation. Similarly, François Villeroy de Galhau, president of the Bank of France and a member of the ECB Governing Council, acknowledged that no policymakers proposed interest rate cuts throughout the policy deliberations in December. Following the statement by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell that a policy pivot should be discussed, the hawkish posture of the ECB highlighted the possibility of a policy divergence between the European Central Bank and the Federal Reserve. S&P Global will release preliminary PMI surveys for the Eurozone and the United States later. Although these reports may elicit market responses, anticipating a sustained decline in the EURUSD may be considered excessively hazardous. In the weekly chart of EURUSD, the overall market momentum is bullish as the latest weekly candle closed above last week's high. Moreover, the existing market trend is bullish, supported by a 20-day EMA and bullish RSI. In the daily chart, the price failed to overcome the 1.10 resistance level, which increased the possibility of a bearish correction. In that case, investors should closely monitor how the price trades at the 20-day EMA, where a break below the 1.05 static level could be a bearish opportunity. On the other hand, investors should anticipate a bullish continuation, which needs a stable market above the 20 EMA support. A daily candle above the 1.10 level could be a long opportunity, targeting the 1.12 resistance level.